Ever wanted to build your own RPG mobile game and publish it to the Play Store? Then you are in the right place. Hi, I am Mahadi, a game developer and instructor with multiple published courses and real game releases on the Play Store and Steam. In this course, I will guide you step by step from a blank Unreal Engine project all the way to publishing your own RPG game. You will create a fully playable RPG mobile game featuring a custom 3D character using your own face. We will generate a personalized hero model that truly represents you. Third-person movement with smooth animations including running, sprinting, jumping, and seamless transitions powered by Unreal Engine's animation system. Sword-based melee combat complete with attack combos, hit reactions, damage effects, and enemy response. A full bow and arrow system, aim, shoot, and hit targets with real physics and satisfying impact feedback. Swimming and underwater diving, explore water environment with custom swimming animation, a complete player health system including damage handling, UI health bars, and response or death behavior. Mobile UI with responsive touch controls, attack, jump, aim, move, and interact using a clean, interactive on-screen interface. Enemy AI and interactive NPCs. Enemies patrols, chase, and attack while NPCs talk, guide, and trigger gameplay events. A quest system with proper saving functionalities. Track objectives, progress through quest, and save your game at any time. Cinematic cutscenes, bring your story to life with camera movement, animation, and timed events. A minimap and main map with points of interest, guide the player with icons, markers, and location discovery. Customizable graphics and game settings, let player adjust quality, sensitivity, and controls for smooth performance. Game optimization using LODs, draw distance, culling, and more, making your RPG run smoothly on low-end devices. Fully controller support for both mobile and PC. Play comfortably with touch, gamepad, or keyboard. And finally, complete publishing to the Play Store. You will package, upload, and release your game to the world. By the end of this course, you won't just have a project, you will have a fully playable optimized RPG mobile game ready for the Play Store. So if you are ready to bring your game idea to life, build your first mobile RPG, and level up your Unreal Engine skills, enroll now and let's start creating your dream games today.